So there is Bitcoin, there is Litecoin, there is Ethereum. So just what is cryptocurrency and how does it work? Essentially, it is a digital money that bought and sold online, and there are no bills and coins. It's not based on any other assets like gold, and it does not go through traditional financial institutions like bank. Instead, these currencies operates in a completely decentralized system that uses so-called a blockchain technology to track transactions. To see how it works, let's look at to how did you bought something with the cryptocurrency. For example, a person wants to buy some bikes from another person using Bitcoin cryptocurrency. The person begins by logging to his Bitcoin wallet with a private key, a unique combination of letter and numbers. With the traditional financial transaction, to get a exchange sent to the blanks on each side who record the money being subtracted from one account and added to the other account. But remember, in this scenario, there is no bank or middleman. Instead, the person's transaction is shared with everyone in the Bitcoin network. These network computers add the present transaction to a shared list of recent transactions known as a block. Every 10 minutes, the newest block of transaction is added on or checked into all previous blocks. That's how you get a blockchain. To ensure that each block of transaction on to the chair is verified, a subset of Bitcoin network joins a race to solve a different mathematical puzzle. And if they solve the puzzle, then the record of the block of transaction became the official record. They are rewarded with their own Bitcoin, and the network gets a new block of chain. This entire process is known as mining, but instead of chopping away a rock, you are solving complex puzzles. The fact that many computers are computing to verify block ensure that is no single computer can monopolize the Bitcoin market. To ensure completion stay fair and every time, the puzzles becomes harder when more computers joins. The Bitcoin protocol says that by mining will continue until then are 21 million Bitcoin in instance. That's said to happen at around 2140.